Mesmerize this person like never before. I feel like this individual feels as though with you it is an equal balance of give and take. Maybe in the past, this individual that you have encountered was so used to being the giver in certain situations, and the outcome, wasn't very beneficial. But I feel like this person feels as if the connection between both of you is very harmonious. For once in their life, they've actually met someone that's not going to take advantage of them, that equally pours into the connection just as much as they do. I feel like this person feels like they will do anything for you. I'm hearing free tea. I will do anything for you. I don't know if you remember that group, Free Tea, Michael Jackson's nephews. And I feel like this person idolizes you. Now, you shouldn't idolize anyone, but I feel like you mesmerize this person to the point where they idolize you. They put you on a pedestal. They see you as so pristine. They see you as so luxurious. They can't believe that they actually are in a connection with you, whether that is a friendship, whether that is a romantic relationship, or if you are in the talking stages. This individual sees you as high quality, as high caliber, and you simply are, right? But this person loves the way that you dote on yourself. They love your independence. They love the way that you smell. They love the way that you take care of yourself, your mannerisms, your qualities, the way that you move. It's just so adorable to this individual and admirable. This person sees you as someone that is very, very classy. Okay. They see you as someone that could be quite popular. For some of you, you are popular, but they see you as celebrity like, because there's something about your aura and your energy that creates hysteria. This person sees how people stare at you. This person sees the influence that you have on others, and it's very, very mesmerizing, and it takes this person aback, because for some of you this person is equally as popular. For others of you, this person has never encountered someone with your star appeal before, and the fact that you have chosen to either befriend them, partner up with them in a romantic sense or in a platonic sense is very spellbinding to this individual. It's like, why me? And I'm hearing like, why not? But you make this person feel as if they are famous as well, just by their association of you. This person is a secret fan as well, but they will never say it though, because they don't want to come across, weird or anything like that. And I don't think you feel or think that they are weird, but they actually admire you. They admire your work. They admire your work ethic. They admire your hustle. They admire the fact that you don't really notice the hysteria that you create, the buzz that you create. They see it. They could also downplay what they have witnessed whenever you're around. They see the way people take double glances at you. They may have heard conversations that you haven't heard, and they just feel like, wow, like they are oblivious to the commotion that they are causing. And possibly some of you are actually oblivious to the hysteria that you do cause, because you could have your mind fixated on your goals and your hobbies, and you're just striving to become the better version of yourself. And I feel like for some of you, you met this person in a friend group. So for some of you, it could be a friend that has now developed some sort of feelings for you. For others of you, you met this person within a group club organization, and you could be talking to this individual, or there is an acknowledgement that you both have romantic feelings for each other. But I feel as if this individual is mesmerized by the fact that you're not the type of person to try and seek out friendship groups. You are the type of person that attracts a lot of friends to you, and you have this loner like quality. I'm hearing popular loner, and you're very content and satisfied within your spot. And this is also very mesmerizing for this individual, because they could be used to a lot of different people that searches for groups and cliques, and puts people that put on some sort of pretense to appear one way, to appear popular. You don't care whether or not people like you. You know, you're just focused on yourself. And some of you do have friends, you know, it could be a small group of friends, or you know, some of you generally may just filter between different groups, or some of you just like to be on your own, and this person is just so mesmerized by the fact that you have all these amazing qualities and you're just so confident within yourself. You know, I feel like this person sees you as extremely abundant. You know, there's something very mesmerizing about your energy to this individual. I feel like you have a lot of spiritual wealth and knowledge and wisdom. And I feel like you have a very bright and high vibrational energy. And when you have that type of energy, when you have that type of knowledge, you are then able to attract in the 3D. And this person is mesmerized by the fact that you're able to draw in a lot of positive opportunities for yourself. And I feel like it's your mindset. This person is drawn to your mindset, the way that you have a lot of faith, the way that you are so open to helping others, the way that you care about others, the way that you are so kind-hearted, and the way that you spread a lot of love. This person just feels like, are you even real? Is this even happening right now? Like, are we even in the same, you know, timeline? Like, where did you come from? How could I get so lucky to meet someone like you? Like, they've never met anyone like you before. For some of you, they haven't, because you could come from a different cultural background than this individual. You may have met this person, for some of you, at university, or when you went traveling, when you were at, you know, another country. But I feel for some of you, you could belong to the same group, club, or organization in there now, and you could come from a different background. You could have a different religion to this individual, and encountering someone like you is like the first time that they encountered someone from your background, from your religion before. And I feel like certain misconceptions that they had about people that come from your background is being tarnished right now, because they're realizing that we're all as one, and we are more similar in a lot of different ways. You know, you may have the same type of spiritual beliefs. For some of you, you may have the same morals, traditional values, but I feel on a soul level, this person sees you as a soulmate. Okay. I feel like you have the ability to allow other people not to just look at, you know, your being, i.e. your background or where you come from. Like, when people connect to you, especially this individual, they connect to the heart of you, they connect to your soul. And I feel like this person has this inkling that I've met this person before. I don't know if this person will say that you are a soulmate. I don't know if they'll say it in those words, but they feel very very comfortable within your vicinity. Like, whenever they are around you, they feel like they're at home. It's like they felt like they met you before. You know, they feel very open towards you. They feel like they can tell you anything. For some of you, they do feel like they are picking up from where they left off in a past life, right? And I feel like this person sees you as their good karma. They feel like, yeah, I deserve this good luck. I deserve to meet this person, you know, after everything I've been through. And I feel like this person may have been through a lot of bad relationships, bad friendships, but you are just someone that just, you know, makes them believe in good people again. It's what I'm picking up, because in the past, this person really did not believe that they will ever encounter someone like you. They were so, you know, used to things not going their way, and they kind of gave up in planning. They kind of gave up in wishing. They just thought, you know what, this is my lot. You know, they may have hid themselves away from people in the past as well. They were very self-protective, but now you've given this person hope, and this person wants to invest in this connection even more. You know, you make this person feel positive, and it's not just about relying on someone to make you feel positive, but you make this person believe again. You know, you make this person excited to want to connect with you, to want to see you. And I feel like your spirit guides have definitely played a part in this situation. You were supposed to meet so that you can help each other, and then perhaps for some of you, go your separate ways.